Welcome students. Today we are going to start equations of motion and their derivation. So write down the heading equations of motion. The equations of motion we have discussed in the previous class, the types of equations of motion. We are having three equations of motion. V is equals to u plus at. V square is equals to u square plus twice as. S is equals to ut plus half at square. These we will discuss by two methods. One is graphical method and another we will derive it by the mathematical method. In the next class we will derive it by mathematical method. In the today's class we will discuss it by graphical method. So please write down the heading derivation of equations of motion with the help of graphical method. Let's draw the graph. Where we are having a time t. I am drawing the graph with a red line. I am labeling the part. This is certain a velocity which is not zero, so I will take some velocity or initial velocity of it. We will not take initial velocity 0 at the time of derivation. This will be a certain final velocity, so this will be v. This will be, let's suppose, a time t if it is. Now I will mark some points on it. Let's suppose this is the origin O, A, B, C and D. Let's move the very most important or very first. V is equals to u plus at, which is the very easiest. The acceleration, by the definition of the acceleration we can easily derive it. The acceleration is nothing but change in velocity with respect to time. That is equals to rate of change of velocity or change of velocity with time. If I take t here, it is equals to v minus u. So v is equals to u plus a t. This is the derivation of first equation, in which we do not require any graph and we can easily do it. Hope it is clear to everyone. Next, before moving ahead, let me clear you one more thing, that in a VT graph, this we will discuss in the graph also in the upcoming lectures. For a VT graph, the area of VT graph gives us displacement and the slope of VT graph gives acceleration. The area of VT graph gives a displacement, the slope of VT graph gives acceleration. So if we find the slope, the acceleration is nothing but slope, that is nothing but delta v by t, and the displacement is nothing but area of VT graph. Now there are two methods to find the area of the region. Area of O, A, B, C, D. So the displacement S is equals to, how we will find the area? We will have the two ways. One, either take entire as a trapezium, or we can break it into the two part. Area of triangle ABC plus area OACD. So coming to the area of triangle ABC is half into base into height, and area of OACD is length into breadth. Now what is half into base into height? What is base in AB? ABC triangle, that is AC. What is height? That is BC. Now coming to length into breadth, what is the length? That is AC, and the breadth is nothing but DC. Let me write you the values which I have taken here. This is U, so this will also be U. This is T, so this will be also T. This is total entire V. So what will be the BC here बेटा? इस पूरे में से नीचे वाला पार्ट सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देते हैं हम, तो V minus U. I think it is clear to everyone. This is V minus U. So we can say that BC is nothing but BD minus CD, that is V minus U. OA is nothing but CD is nothing but U. AC is nothing but OD is nothing but T. So if I substitute these values, S is equals to half. The AC I got T and BC I got V minus U. Plus AC is nothing but T and DC is nothing but U. In the second equation, S is equal to UT plus half AT square. If we look at here, what I don't need V. V is not present here, but in my derivation V is coming. So what will I do? I'll substitute the V from the equation number 1. V is equal to U plus AT. So I'll write it as S is equals to V की जगह लिख देंगे U plus AT U से U cancel हो जाएगा, so it will be UT plus half AT square. So I got my desired equation, that is second equation of motion, UT plus half AT square. Similarly, to derive the third equation, I'll take the area. Again I'll take S is equals to area, but now in the different manner, area of trapezium. Then the trapezium is OA BCD, that is equals to half of sum of parallel side into height. So what is sum of parallel side if we take it as? It is OA and BD. And what is height? It is AC. So if I substitute the value, half of U plus V into AC is T. If I look at the third equation of motion, I will find that V square is equal to U square plus twice AS. In this, I am not having T. In this, I am not having T. So, from the first equation, V minus U is equals to AT. I'll substitute the value of T in my coming equation. So it is half V plus U V minus U, and if I multiply it A plus B into A minus B, it will be A square minus B square upon 2A, and that is nothing but S. So we got our third equation of motion as well, that is V square is equals to U square plus twice AS. So hence we can derive these equations of motion with the help of graph. With the help of graph, we also have understood that for the VT graph, The area gives me the displacement and the slope gives me the acceleration. We have derived the three equations of motion: v is equal to u plus at, s is equal to ut plus half at square, and v square is equal to u square plus twice as. In the next lecture, we will derive these equations of motion by mathematical. Also, we will discuss a fourth equation of motion, that is Sn is equals to u plus a by 2n minus 1. And in upcoming lecture, we will discuss something about graphs. Till then, please be in touch. Have a nice day.